Here are some reasons why you should eat mint every day for a week and see the unexpected effects on your body. Mint can relieve indigestion and irritable bowel syndrome by relaxing the muscles of the digestive tract and reducing inflammation. Mint can boost your immune system by providing antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that fight against infections and diseases. Mint can enhance your brain function by stimulating the production of neurotransmitters, improving memory, attention, and mood. Mint can freshen your breath by killing bacteria and masking odors in your mouth. Mint can soothe your throat and lungs by acting as a natural expectorant, clearing mucus and easing coughs and colds. Mint can lower your blood pressure and cholesterol by relaxing your blood vessels and preventing plaque buildup. Mint can regulate your blood sugar and appetite by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing cravings. Mint can protect your skin and hair by preventing acne, infections, and inflammation, and promoting hair growth. Mint can reduce stress and anxiety by calming your nerves and inducing relaxation. By eating mint every day for a week, you can experience these amazing health effects and feel refreshed and rejuvenated.